Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add to cart on AliExpress. Here's how to add items to your cart in AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into AliExpress. And how do you do that? Visit the AliExpress website using any browser of your choice at aliexpress.com and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the product you want to purchase. You can also browse through categories from here or even promotions which are already displayed. Now let's say these are promotions. I'm just going to click on any of that. And once you find the product, I'm about to find my product. So, and click on this product. Now, click on it, click on the product to open the detailed products page. On the product page, if applicable, you may need to, of course, select specific details such as color, size, or quantity. And I have my color. I think I need the black, so I'm just going to choose the black. Now, once you're done that, ensure that you choose the card specifications, the one that suits your needs. Then, below the item price, which is at the left corner, you're definitely going to find a button that says Add to Cart. Click on this Add to Cart button, and once you do that, it's going to add the product to your shipping cart. Now, after adding the item, you can either continue shopping by clicking on Checkout to shop, or you can just go ahead and add more items to your cart. By doing what? Heading over to the cart icon at the top right corner of the page to view your cart. So once you click on that, click on the cart icon at the top right corner, you can now go ahead and keep on adding more items to your cart. Okay, so you're going to click on plus icon. Once you click on plus icon, you're adding another item. Click on minus, you're just selecting one item. Now go ahead and keep on adding more items to cart. Keep adding more, or just go ahead and delete selected items if you want to delete the selected items. And that's pretty much it. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.